Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In my today's video, I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Vivo C1 Pro. So in this device, if you want to do the keyboard settings or if you want to do any type of changes in the keyboard settings, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will tell you in this video. So before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn all about the keyboard settings in your device. Let's watch the video.